Doing something really out of the ordinary. This video is gonna contain copywritten footage. So this one is basically, just a video for the people. Mainly I just want to speak about a TV show that I really like. This has been a TV show that's been in my life as early as I can remember, and to this day they're still making new episodes. This is the #1 running sitcom in the entire world, holds the Guinness World Record for the most consecutive seasons and still going. And this is none other than The Simpsons. The Simpsons has been around since the 80s. I've been watching it since I was a kid, as young as I can remember. Simpsons has always been on TV. I've always liked it. There was a time in my life when I had stopped watching it, maybe like 2008, around there. When I was a teenager, I didn't watch as much TV, and I completely abandoned it from my life. And it wasn't until a couple years ago, talking with a friend, and he mentioned that he still watches The Simpsons to this day, and there's new episodes, which intrigued me. It made me learn that they're the world record holder for the longest animated sitcom ever, and it made me want to catch up on what I had missed over the years. So I ended up starting my journey all the way at the beginning and watching Simpsons from season 1, episode 1. Now there's currently about 37 seasons, I believe, 36, 37. I'm currently on season 25, so I've worked my way up from season 1 all the way up to 25 at this point. And a couple things I noticed from this show that I would like to share here on the channel. For one, it's funny. The writing is great. There's a lot of subliminals in this show. There's a lot of references to like rollerblading and roller skating in this show. I hadn't really noticed before. And another one is, maybe it's not so frequent, but from time to time, The Simpsons references like Jamaica and Rastafari and dreadlocks, and even like herb smoking as well. And so I find it interesting when a dreadhead character shows up in the show. There are quite a few. Sideshow Bob being the #1 character in the show that has dreadlocks. There is an episode where you see a Jamaican Bart Simpson, which is apparently the long lost third twin of Bart. I think it was in a Halloween special or something. There's a few episodes when Homer throws on some dreadlock wigs and pretends that he's Jamaican. But the one that really stands out to me is season 25. There's an episode where Krusty the Clown is trying to license out his character to different countries around the world, and he ends up getting Jamaica to license the Krusty the Clown show, which brings about Jamaican Krusty and Jamaican Itchy and Scratchy. And I just find this clip pretty entertaining. It's definitely it's out there from the Simpsons universe. It's a pretty unique scene in terms of all the Itchy and Scratchy episodes in the show. This one is probably very one of a kind. So I wanted to share that with you today, and I would love to know what you guys think about the Simpsons in general, the Simpsons as a whole, your favorite characters, your favorite scenes, the memories you have growing up with the Simpsons if you guys watched it. And I'm just gonna let this clip play, so enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.